welcome to the first episode of Campus Chronicles Season 2, your window into the vibrant world of DPS RN Extension.
The academic session 2026-27 commenced on a serene note on 2nd April with a special assembly by class 10th E, invoking blessings and positivity for a year filled with learning and joy.
Interactive orientation sessions were organized for students and parents of classes 3rd to 8th and 9th to 12th, designed to familiarize them with the school's vision, policies and expectations for the new academic session.
Adventure and experiential learning came together as students of class 10th explored the scenic landscape of Neen and Shell, while class 12th embarked on an enriching excursion to Virat Kai Chakrata in Uttarakhand.
On 18th April, DPS RN Extension proudly hosted a CBSE capacity building program on the use of artificial intelligence in classrooms, fostering innovation and future-ready learning practices.
The spirit of healthy competition flourished through the inter-house eco-rhyme competition for class 3rd to 5th and the debate competition for class 6th to 8th.
Earth Day celebrations began with a herbal plantation drive led by class 8th, followed by a thought-provoking special assembly presented by class 8th A, highlighting the importance of environmental stewardship.
The school grounds came alive with enthusiasm and sporting spirit during Sparda 2026, the annual sports day organized for class 4 to 6th 2026.
The transition from April to May was marked by two meaningful special assemblies: International Dance Day by class 9th B, celebrating the universal language of expression and creativity, and Workers' Day by class 8th D, honoring the invaluable contributions of workers to society.
Our budding gymnasts brought laurels to the school at the Manav Rachna Championship 2026, securing silver and bronze medals through their commendable performances.
The legacy of Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore was commemorated through a special assembly by class 12C and an inter-house book review competition based on his literary works.
The school celebrated the spirit of motherhood through joyful Mother's Day activities in the pre-primary wing, followed by a heartwarming special assembly by the class UKG.
Students of the primary wing also enjoyed an entertaining movie show, creating moments of fun and togetherness.
Senior students gained valuable insights during an expert session on careers in aerospace and space technology, conducted by Dr. Harshish Shukla, Head, Center for Space Technology, UPES.
The sporting calendar remained action-packed with the inter-house basketball tournament for classes 6 to 8 and the cricket tournament for classes 9th to 12th. Students
showcased their creativity and intellect through inter-house competitions including poetic rhapsody on the theme Mother Earth and a quiz competition on martyrs and national monument marvels.
Awareness sessions enriched student learning beyond the classroom as renowned dentist Dr. Preeti Sharma guided students of classes 1st to 8th on dental hygiene and preventive care, while students of the middle and senior wings gained valuable insights into adolescent health and menstrual hygiene.
Excitement reached new heights with Splash Bash, a fun-filled water activity day organized for class students from nursery to 6th.
The school proudly hosted the opening ceremony of the National School of Drama's month-long summer workshop on 22nd May, marking the beginning of an enriching journey into the world of theatre and performing arts.
Our delegates excelled at GD Goenka MU in 2026, winning several accolades, while DPS RN Extension was honoured with the prestigious Best Delegation Award.
Towards the end of May, students of classes 8th to 12th embarked on an educational international visit to Japan, broadening their global perspectives and cultural understanding.
Throughout June, the campus remained vibrant with the National School of Drama Summer Workshop and a range of specialized sports academies nurturing talent and creativity.
International Yoga Day was celebrated with great enthusiasm on 21st June, reaffirming the importance of holistic well-being and mindful living.
The season concluded on a memorable note with the closing ceremony of the National School of Drama Summer Workshop, celebrating a month of artistic learning, collaboration and expression.
From inspiring beginnings to memorable achievements,
every milestone reflects the pursuit of excellence at DPS RN Extension.
That's all from us in this edition of Campus Chronicles.
Thank you for watching.
Until next time,
keep exploring, keep excelling.